Hello, class. This is at words. In your homework, you had 9 words, like sat, at, bat, rat. You also had some pictures, 9 pictures. You need to color the word and the picture the same. Ready? Let's do a practice. Number 1, color at cat purple. Color cat purple. So color the word and the picture. You will have 2 boxes, 2 squares that are purple. Okay. That was number 1. Now it's your turn. Number 2. Color at hat yellow. Color hat yellow. Number 3. Color at fat green. Color fat green. Number 4. Color at pat red. Color at pat red. Number 5. Color at sat blue. Color sat blue. Number 6. Color at matte orange. Color at matte orange. Number 7. Color at rat brown. Color at rat brown. Number 8 and number 9 are the same word. So you will color 4 squares. Color at bat, like Batman, and baseball bat. Color them gray. Color bat gray. Let's go over them really quickly to see if you got these words. Number 1 was hat, purple. Number 2 was hat, yellow. Number 3 was fat, green. Number 4 was pat, red. Number 5 was sat, blue. Number 6 was mat, orange. Number 7 was rat, brown. And number 8 and 9 was bat, gray. All right. Goodbye.